guys, meteorologist Doug Hetty. It is Tuesday evening. I hope your work week is going great so far. I wanted to break down our next storm system and look at the rest of the week. Of course, this is a YouTube video. Make sure you follow our KOAM YouTube and also meteorologist Doug Hetty YouTube, as this is the platform I'm working toward, and less Facebook for videos and also live streaming over the next several months. All right, let's go ahead and look at this and see what's going on. You can see an Arctic front to our north. This will be our third Arctic blast of this year, and then we have this weak little area of low pressure in western parts of Oklahoma. You can tell the system doesn't have much in the way of moisture, but it does have the cold air, and that cold air is going to race toward us as we go through the next 24 hours. Here's the upper level wave, eastern parts of Arizona. Let's go ahead and break this down for you tonight. A lot of clouds. Look at showers. They develop along and south of I-44. If you live north of I-44, you're really not going to get any rain or any snow from this system, but really from Joplin south, you'll start to see some rain picking up. This is going to be a little bit later on tonight. All right, let's go through time. Showers south of Interstate 44. Look at the northerly winds. So this is 6:30 in the morning. We're dropping into the 30s. We don't go up tomorrow. We go down as we go through the daytime hours. Let's go to about 9 o'clock in the morning. See the pink popping up again along and south of I-44. This is a little bit of light sleet, mainly from Grand Lake, McDonald County, Newton County, over toward Berry County, and even into Benton County. Nothing north of I-44. By 1:30, you can see a little bit of snow popping up along and south of I-44, and then all this is gone by late afternoon. But look at our temps. Now we're down into lower 20s, so we go the wrong direction all day long. 38 to start in the morning, 29 by noon, and then we drop back to 26. Plus, look at the north winds at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Tomorrow night's going to be cold. We drop back near 10, and then on Thursday we just struggle to warm up. We only get into the mid-20s for highs. All right, snowfall amounts mixed in with a little bit of sleet tomorrow. This is mainly south of the metro. So Grand Lake, May Clip, Neosho, Anderson, Pineville, Knoll, Bentonville, Rogers, Cassville, Exeter, Monette, over towards Springfield. Everybody else, we're not really going to see anything. And the areas that do get snow is going to be very light. Dusting, maybe a half an inch at best. Now, wind chills are going to be an issue. Our wind chills are going to be dropping into lower 20s by morning. And then look at our wind chills late in the day, near 10 degrees. And then wind chill values, the way it actually feels to your skin, 0 to -5 by Thursday morning. So it's a little chilly out there over the next couple days. So 20s tomorrow. Again, southern counties, a little bit of light snow. 11 tomorrow night, 27 on Thursday, 38 on Friday. This means all week long is going to be cold. 45 Saturday, 48 on Sunday. So not terrible if you're heading to Arrowhead for the Chiefs game on Sunday, which is a 5:30 kickoff. Back near 60 by next Monday, and then we cool back down again the middle of next week. Now, big storm systems, we don't really have any big systems over about the next 10 to 12 days, but once we get very close to the end of July and early February, that's when things start to pick back up. All right, guys, have a great evening and enjoy your Wednesday.